Hey, this is Dave Ing. Just a quick video to show you how to move your emergency release cable over to your new latch. This is for newer GM vehicles. I mean, newer, around 2010 to 2020. There is the part number 135019888. And what I've seen on eBay is that you buy these latches separately, but then you have your emergency release cable that needs to be hooked up when you get it. Now, these came from a 2013 Chevy Malibu, and they look like that. But the Chevy Cruze looks a bit different. It's a long, skinny one. Sometimes it's mounted through the side. You see this comes out of the top here, but sometimes it's mounted through the side of the latch. You see the holes there. So you look for these two clips. You got to release them. They are right here. I use like a flat. You could use a screwdriver. Use this spudger here. So you just press those down and kind of wedge that. Keep pressure on that as you press it down, so that it'll release the cover here. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. So you're going to this goes in this way, and I guess you'll mount it the same way as your old latch. You can mount it, in one of these, one of these spots right here too. And so this will just clip into the top. There, yeah, so it locks down. You just close the cover. Hopefully you have a plastic cover too. Usually there's, I try to get the clean ones. Usually there's a crack on this cover. It's just, must have been a manufacturing defect. You can kind of see it on both of the latches there. Hope that helps. See you next time.